Okay, this is the project for Intelligence Prime's Capital. This is a project that have us very excited. This is a broker that is working in the Forex market so far. And yesterday we launched a new automatic bot for the crypto market. And this bot we're expecting to have the first transactions by today. Let me check. So far, we have no transactions made on the new bot. Yeah, I already checked my MetaTrader 4 app on my phone, and we have no transactions already. So we're expecting this bot to start operating today. Intelligence Prime Capital is an international company committed to provide a global users by a comprehensive suite of digital assets services. We specialize in the research and development into the future of fintech, such as qualitative trading, leverage AI trading systems, cloud storage systems, and enterprise management software. So far, the company has three artificial intelligence trading systems for the Forex market and one for the crypto market. We are working so far in these countries: United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Singapore, Hong Kong, Taiwan, China, Nigeria, Cameroon, Ghana. I also know that we have a group of people in Colombia, Peru, Ecuador, Dominican Republic, Spain, United States, and also in Mexico. The company is getting bigger and bigger every day, and we're spreading around the world. This is the first registration certificate that we had in Canada. It was made in June from last year. Also, we have registered in the FinTrack Transaction and Reports Analysis Center of Canada. Is one of the registrations that we already have. The FinTrack is established in the 2000. Is an independent agency that reports to the Ministry of Finance and is responsible to the Parliamentary Activity Center. Its mandate is facilitate to the detection and prevention of deterrence of money laundering and the finances of the terrorist activities, while ensuring the protection of personal information under its control. This includes business registrations with the FinTrack, report to the FinTrack, record keeping and KYC, and the development of compliance plans. This is the registry that we have for the Canadian entity. Let's see the registration. We can go to this FinTrack website. Here it is. This is our registry, and it was made in June 2001, and we can operate in Canada until 2024 in the same month on June. As you can see, this is the Canadian website. Give me just 1 minute. Sorry, I'm back. Let's continue. This is the certification that they gave us when they gave us the license to operate in Canada. Let me see. Okay, here's the United States entity. The U.S. Digital Asset Regulatory License, or MSB, the U.S. MSB Money Service Business License, is a financial license supervised and issued by the FinCEN. The FinCEN is the Financial Crime Enforcement Bureau, an agency under the U.S. Department of Treasury. It is a license for business and companies engaged in financial service companies engaged in related business must apply to the MSB license in order to legally engage in digital assets management and transactions. This is the documentation when we register our company. Let's open the MSB website. As you can see, it's a United States Enforcement Network website. As you can see, this is a real website. Let's copy our license number and put it in the website. Press enter, and this is our registrations and license information. As you can see, we can operate since January 16 of 2021, Intelligence Primes Capital, and we can operate in all the states of the United States. The United States and Canada are the toughest entities to comply. So we are very happy that we are able to operate in these two countries. We also have the same entity for the Australian government, is the ASICs, is the Australian Security and Investigation Commission and regulated registered companies. It's the same entity but here's for Australia. This is the registration. If you want to check this one for a matter of time, I can share with you this presentation, and you can check by yourself. This is our COO, Mr. Walter Stephan. Walter Stephan studied at the London School of Economics and Political, has a master's degree in financial and accounting. After the master's degree, he continued the PhD studies in computing and mathematical at the University of Oxford. An expert in the financial industry, he has a strong expertise in the areas of contract trading and risk management, with more than 25 years of experience in international financing systems, development, public-private partnership, and policy dialogue. He used to serve as the vice president of the European Bank Central and has in charge of the policy and partnerships. Before that, he was at the World Bank Group, and he is very familiar with the fintech industry. This is the person that represents Intelligence Primes Capital. You can see his resume in Wikipedia, LinkedIn, and you can find a lot of information in YouTube also. This is our CMO, Mr. Bal NGSH. Dr. NG has years of experience in the financial industry, from leading traditional business and to financial technology company. He's a great knowledge of the wide variety of financial investment products, from precious metals, CFDs, Forex, and cryptocurrency. Also, you can find his long resume in LinkedIn, as you can speed, and in YouTube also, you can find a lot of information for Mr. Bal NG. The company so far uses the WordCast platform MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader is the most used platform for traders. It's like AutoCAD for the architects and the engineers. The traders use MetaTrader 4 for all the operations made in the market. The company, let me see about the bot, all the artificial intelligence of the bots includes 16 different strategies. You can see the first one is the bank scalper, is where you can make several small operations in the market. The BS28 scanner uses 28 country pairs to calculate the current intraday trend to determine the appropriate intraday and entry points. You have all the details for the several 16 different strategies that are included in this tremendous, and the efficiency for the operation is like 98% or higher. We're later gonna see on my personal account, so you can see all the trading activities that we do in the MetaTrader 4 app. Let me see. These are the different markets that we use: the forex markets, the gold market, the commodities, the oil CFD, and the cryptocurrency market so far. Let's see the three products that we have already for the forex market. This is the SmartBot. It gives from 9% to 50% monthly revenue. Minimum deposits is of around $100 for deposit, and the maximum deposit is 300. For the Brilliant Bot, is the second product. We have 50% revenue and 30% revenue for months, between 15 and 30, and the minimum deposit are $100 accounts, and the maximum deposit is $1,000. And for the Genius Bot, the best one is we have a revenue between 30% and 45% per month. On minimum deposits for this bot is 100, and maximum deposit has no limit. This is the one I use so far. It's nice. It's good to know that the company has a policy that the 20% of all the deposits will be freeze for 90 days. That's important to know. If you made $1,000 deposit, you will be able to withdraw all the 80% even in day 2, but you have until the day 91 to withdraw the 20% that the company frees for matter of cash flow and all the policy between all the payments that they do. There's no any commissions between this 20%, but it's important to know that all the transactions that we do during the week on Saturdays, the company do take all the interest or the benefit that you generated in that week and withdraw from the capital account and put it on the UST or Tether cryptocurrency wallet. So you can, if you want to withdraw it, you can do it in Saturday after Saturday. But if you are interested in do a strategy of how you say it in English is interest compound strategy that we do. That strategy. What we actually are doing is that so far, when we on Saturdays get all the interest that pay to the benefit wallet, we take all the amount and put it back to the capital. So for the second week, we know. Well, let me have you an example. If you have $1,000 account, and the first week you generate 100, the company has a commission of the 20%, and they take from that 100 that you generate, they take $20 and deposit 80 on the UST wallet for you to withdraw, or if you want to make an interest compound, you can put it back to the capital. And for the second week, you can run from 1,080. You begin your operations on Monday, and for the second Saturday of the second week, you will be generating like 140, 150, and on the second Saturday you will have to pay the 20% of commission for that 150 that you generate on the second week. So you will be generating on your second week like 100, 105, and you can do it all over again for the third week. And for the fourth week, we have been achieving like in between 25% to 36% after commissions. That's the we are getting out from the Genius Bot so far. Also, if you like to make a career out of this project, we have 4 bonuses for the people that like to share this opportunity with other people. The first bonus is the IABot system bonus. This is when you refer another person and this person buys the IABot's license, paying 99.90 cents for the Genius Bot license. You will get a 10% of bonuses. This is $9.90 every time you refer a person who bought the Genius Bot. This is the first bonus. The second bonus is the sponsorship bonus. Here's you can make a bonus from the capital that person deposit on it accounts. That bonus goes from the 5% to the 10% of that money, depending of the rank that you have in the company. These are the ranks that Intelligence Prime's Capital has so far. Is when you are new, you are a member. As soon as you deposit your $100 in your account and you have a group that invest $1,000 below you, you will have the first rank, that is the leader. And on leader, you will be achieving for this bonus the 5% of the deposit that your referrals put on their account. In example, if you referred a person that deposit $1,000 for the Genius Bot, you get a 10% or a 5% depending on the rank that you are. This example is made on a shareholder director rank, that is the highest rank on the company. And this is to this example, you will get 100% if you are in this rank. But let me just be clear that you will be having from 5%. In case you are a leader, you will be receiving a $50 bonus through the chair director, that will have a 10% bonus that will be $100 bonus. This is the third bonus. This is where it gets very interesting. This is the management bonus, where you can, if you build a very good team, you can be having a residual bonus from the revenue they receive on their investment. For example, if you have a referral that deposit $1,000, and in the first month they had a benefit of the 36%, I already told you, after all the commissions paid, will be a $360 revenue for that person. And this bonus will pay you, if you are a leader, for all your referrals, will pay you the 30% of those referrals. If for example, if that person made $360 and you will get a referral bonus for 30% of that amount, will be, let me calculate, will be 180 from the 360 that they will be made. So if we have a team of, I already have 2 months with the company and I have a team of 52 people, and in my management bonus is around $500 only for the investment that my people made and all the benefits they are generating. In the first level, I'm made in the 30%. I'm so far a senior manager in rank. I have an investment of over $1,000, and my personal sales has over the 3,000 for my referrals. And my group is made in around $28,000. I'm very near to be a department but not manager. I believe I will be in that rank as department manager maybe next week so far. So you will be getting revenue from level 1 to level 20, depending on the rank that you are at the time of that period. Of maybe at the end of the week, you only have to check the volume of your personal investment, the personal sales, and the group sales, so you can be qualifying in all these different ranks. And the fourth and the last is the global bonus. The global bonus is only is only a bonus that can be being made by the managing director and the shareholder director. This bonus is the company takes the 2% of all the sales of the different license from the 3 bots and put it on a pool. That pool in the month of the February was around $2 million, and the bonus will be updated hourly. You can see it on your back office, but it's distributed once a month at the end on the 4th week. It's on the 4th Saturday of the month. It's distributed on for all the shareholders in the managing director. Last month, I was told that there was like 10 different manager directors. So though the pool was $2 million, you get distributed between those 10 leaders, and they receive like $100 for only the 4 bonus, this global bonus so far. And also there's another pool with another 2%. Is always the same amount for the shareholders director, but the shareholders director, they are like 8 or 6 different shareholders directors. So the bonus for the shareholders director was even higher. And this is how the four bonus that the company share with all the members. This is an example. I like to put this example for the person who refers to 20 different users with the Genius bot. The Genius bot is for 90 and 90. They get the 10%. For these 20 users, they will be receiving 199.80 for the first bonus. For the sponsorship bonus, these 20 people invest $1,000. So this example is for a director or shareholder, so they will be receiving the 10% for that investment. It will be $1,000 for the second bonus. And for the third bonus, the management bonus, will be after the end of that month. Well, they will be making the 45% or $450 per account. You will be receiving the 30% of those 450, and for that 20 accounts will be on a total of 2,070. For total, the 3 different bonuses will be a total earning of 5,349 per month. If you have exactly 20 persons investing $1,000 in the best scenario possible with the Genius bot. So far, let me share with you a video from my account. Last week, at the end of February, in the 25th of February, we had to change the MetaTrader server due to it was lagging a lot because there was too much accounts in a short period of time, and the company was forced to invest in a new and a bigger server. So far, we lost all the transactions because we changed the server. So the historical data we lost it with the last server. But I have a YouTube video for a presentation that I did on 21st of February So I will be sharing with you all the transactions that I did between November of 2001 when I opened my account and February 21. And after that, I can share with you my account on my cellular phone that has all the transactions made since February 25 to until today. Let me just sorry, this is not my account. I have on another browser. 1 second so I can share you the screen. Let me get to YouTube, to my presentation, and share with you to my second screen. Okay, this is the presentation. Give me just 1 second. By the time this presentation was made on 21 of February, we had like 216 different transactions made on this account. Yeah, this is the one. Okay. Let me go back a little bit. It's in Spanish, so I will translate to you. Okay, this is the account. The account was opened on 17th of November with $1,400, $1,399 to be exact. By the time the account was generating 9,065 on profit, the deposits were made by in total of 1,109.99 cents, and the balance and for that day was 10,169.88 cents. All the withdrawals made were $10,005 so far, and the ratio was on by that day we were achieving the 86% of the account in the revenue. So but for today we have achieved the 100% of revenue, so we are in profit. We already get back our investment. And we are already in profit by maybe 200 or 300 in only three and a half months using this product. The first deposit, it was not the 10,000, it was 1,040, but we did a compound interest compound strategy for the 3 months, and we for 2 months and a half to be precise. All the money that we received for bonuses and for the revenue from the bot, we put it back to the capital the next week. So let me put in place so you can see all the transactions that this bot was doing. All the transactions in the blue line where you see the balance is a deposit. If you see a balance line and the amount is in a blue, is on blue, this is a deposit. And when you see a balance line and the color of the quantities in red, that's a withdrawal. The company on every Saturday automatically withdraw all the interest, all the benefits made for that week, and took the 20% of the commissions and deposit the 80% back to our benefits account. Here are all the deposits made for those 12 weeks or 3 months that we were having by the time of this presentation. Let me see when I start. If you want to see the effectiveness of this bot, you will see all the transactions, all the 213 transactions that we did during that period 3 months time. Let me go a little high further on the video. Just give me a little bit. I was explaining. Okay. This is when the transaction started on the 29th of November.
We're not seeing anything now.
You can see it. You cannot see the screen of MetaTrader.
Yes, we cannot see the screen.
Okay, sorry. Let me check if to share the screen again. And now?
Okay, yes.
Okay, sorry. This is the first transaction made on this is 29th of November. As you can see, that's all the blue color transactions. Let me just give a piece. This is November 20 to February 11th, because it's on all the positive transactions being displayed first. As you can see, we are scrolling down and we are in around the 30% of the screen, and all the transactions are positive. If you can see here, we are seeing transactions from January 22, December 22, January 20th, and we continue around 50% of the screen and seeing all the transactions are in positive amounts with around 25 and going until the smaller amounts, so we can see the red or negative transactions to calculate the effectiveness of this system. So far, this is the last transactions, and we can see that we only made 4 transactions on red amount or decreased amount. These are 4 transactions that summary less than $60. That's it. All the transactions that the bot failed so far, and by the time we had like 216 different transactions and only 4 of those was negative, that's give you like 97.8, 98% of effectiveness for the bot. And the last transaction that you can see is those ones that they say balance and the amount is in red. Those are withdrawals. The difference, the 12 different withdrawal that we had weekly made to our benefits accounts. So far, we can, I believe that day I shared another account. Yes, I did. This is another different account of $1,000. Let me go to the first transaction. It was open on January 24th with $100. And it has like 3 weeks and a half. It have like 25 days, this account, by the time of the presentation, and already generated $133 on profit. And those withdraw summarize the 3 different withdrawal weekly, like that the company does. And we can see the effectiveness on all the positive transactions. So far in 3 weeks and a half, this account in particular had 100% of effectiveness because did not have any negative transaction. This, as you can see at the end, all the transactions that was on negative amount was all balance or withdrawal transactions. As you can see here, it has 4 transactions of balance withdraw for the first week, the second week withdraw, the third week, and the fourth week so far. And this is two different accounts that we did share in the presentation. Let me connect with my cell phone so you can see the transactions after the February 22 on the same account. I'm getting my cell phone on the presentation on the Zoom. Please give me 1 second so I can share the screen. I will stop this sharing this screen and share my cell phone screen so far. Okay, I'm getting on the Zoom, getting inside the Zoom. Okay, this is my cell phone. I will give the permission to share with you my screen. This is my screen. Please confirm if you can see it. Okay, I see my own computer with the screen. This is the account. All the transactions on this new server are from February. Let me put in chronological order. We have March. This account is, yep, this is the one. We had 5. The oldest such transaction is on March 5. That's weird. I checked. It looks like they did another update on this MetaTrader 4 server. Let me check this another account. Let's go. Yes. This is the secondary account, and we have another update on the oldest transaction was on March 5. As I see, the company made another update on the MetaTrader 4 server, and we can see like the first is 2 weeks, 2 weeks of transactions. This is the withdrawal for the first week. We generated 95.68 on the bot revenue, and this is all my bonuses. I deposited the same the Sunday March 13, 412, which means that I received like $310 on bonus. This is gaining from the bonus number 1, 2, and 3. And this week I generate like 118 and 53 things, but I haven't already made my deposit for. I usually do on Sundays. Tomorrow I will do my bonuses and my revenue from the bot back to my capital to complete my interest compound strategy that I'm doing in this particular account. This is my web account, and I'll try to reach the $5,000 mark. So I will be having like I will be having like 300 or 400 in revenue weekly for the bot, and for bonuses I expect to have like $800 weekly for this account. So let me share with you guys another thing